Welcome back, guys. What's up? So today I'm here with another colored hair video. So this wig is actually the previous 613 wig that I showed you guys here on my channel. So I told you guys that I was going to color it, so I'm going to be trying out another watercolor look. I have some warm water here. It's a little bit hotter than just warm, and I have Violet Gem 2 bottles. So last time you guys saw when I experimented with the mint green hair, it didn't come out as consistent within the wig as I'd like, but it still looked good. So I only used one bottle, so I said just to be safe, let me get 2 bottles of this today, and we're gonna try this again. I'm gonna go ahead and put
I was always in denial.
So guys, if you've been keeping up with me, you know that some time ago I actually tried purple here, but it was dark purple. This is how the wig is looking after I allowed it to air dry. So I actually ended up leaving the wig in the water for like 2 hours. I went on the road and left it because there were parts in it that wasn't like, the color wasn't sticking to as I'd like, so it got very concentrated. I don't mind it. To be honest, it's not the color I was going for initially, but it's very pretty and it's something I've never done. I've done a darker purple before though, like a way darker one. I don't know if you guys remember that, but I've never done this purple. This shade is very, 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 very pretty, and it's really gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and I'm doing a full get ready with me today again, so you guys will be seeing the makeup portion. So yay!
What I saw right in front of me, and every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to say the night again, and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Don't know I'm going with you. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to say the night again, and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
I did a center part because I was just thinking about how I want the hair to fall, and that's just the vibe, that's the mood I'm in. So even though the last time I rocked this wig it was a center part, so I'm just gonna brighten the part with some concealer. I even gave it some layers because it didn't have layers in the front from the last time I wore it, which I didn't mind. I can already picture how pretty it would look with those curls. So your girl is getting, oh, I haven't gotten the, I got, you guys have suggested a couple good curling irons, well, curling irons you think that are good. So I saw one that you guys kept on mentioning, so I think I'm gonna try that one out. I think I'm gonna actually get that one. Started to watch reviews on it. Guys, so I'm done with curling up my hair. I'm gonna go into doing my brows. I think I told you guys in the last vlog that I have a touch up soon, so that's actually this week. So, and my brows already look so good.
Sky, I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight.
Guys, I ended up going into the face portion of my makeup when I was really supposed to do the eyes. So that kind of threw me off, but I already did my face, like my concealer, my foundation, everything. You know that go already. So now I'm just going to continue doing that, and then I'm going to jump into the eyes. I low-key forgot that I wanted to do a little eyeshadow today. So that's what threw me off, because I'm so used to doing my natural beat. I totally forgot.
Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say tonight again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together.
For today's eye look, I've decided to use the same palette that I used from last time. And again, it's like I have so many palettes, but this one is like I'm so intrigued to try the other shades, because the last time I used it was so pigmented. So I said let me go back into it today again. So for today's transition color, I want to go in with purple. I know, like, right? Why would I have on purple hair and then purple eyeshadow? I don't know, but I just want to put it in a crease area. I feel like I actually want to do a gold on the lids. So I'm gonna do Semsa. That's the name of this one. It's a back side. The whole of the eyeshadow drop out. This, oh my god, I think that same eyeshadow fell out on me before and I had to put it back in. Luckily it was on the table that it fell. But I'm going to go in with the Semsa in my crease area and just pack that on. It's a nice transition.
Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
Guys, I promise you, all the background noises, it was not there before. Literally, sound like they just started to do some work next door or something. But yes, sorry about that. I'm gonna be going back in with the same matte black from the palette like last time, and I'm just gonna focus it like on the mid area there. I'm not going to even drag it all the way. One thing I can say about these eyeshadows is that they're so pigmented. One tap in the palette and that's all I need because it's so pigmented. Taking number 2.5 FM Flawless concealer from Il Makiage. Oh, and one tip, when you're doing your cut crease, you want to probably like look at your like how you normally look, so that you don't create the crease too low. That way you don't mess up the line like when you open your eyes. So a trick to that is you can do something like this and then look up and see if it's gonna mess up. Look down and yeah, you see, so you see exactly where you need to create your crease.
Swear we never say goodbye, fall asleep too long.
For the lip, it's not all the way dry, but it's dry enough for me. So for the lid portion, I want to take Gemini and Dragon. I don't want to hold this up too much, but this is Gemini, this one here, and this is Dragon. And Dragon is a bit of a lighter one, Gemini is a little darker. So I'm gonna put the Gemini on the outer portion, and it's really like glitter. Okay, so I'm gonna, since this is glitter, I'm gonna put a little bit of the powder under my eyes so that if there are any fallouts, I can easily dust it away.
Eyes with something that I thought I never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw is love. But let's get lost in love tonight.
I'm going on the mid portion with the gold, which is Dragon, the more golden one. The outer V's, I'd say that's more like bronze. And I'm just swiping this. Ooh, that's pretty.
Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to say the night again, and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten.
I'm partially done with the eyes, and I love the way that the eyeshadows, like barely any fallouts. I really just applied the extra powder because in case I was supposed to have like a whole lot of fallout, it would catch it and then my face would get messy.
Forever, forever, let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
The vibes to me, it's gloss always.
Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever.
So pretty. Wow.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice.
I'm in love with the way it turned out. I really am. For some of you, I know you prefer like the color straight from the roots. Me too. But in this case, I feel like it kind of works. I kind of like the blend. I kind of like the different tones going on. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. I don't know. Let me know how you feel about it down below in the comments. But this is different for me. It's bright. It's just pretty. It's just pretty. And oh, by the way, if you want to know the details on the wig itself, like where I got it from, all that stuff, the specs, all that stuff, I linked the video to the initial like unboxing of this wig down below this video. Okay, so check that out if you want to know all the details on it. It's in the description box. But if you've been following, you know exactly which wig this is. This is a previous 613 wig that I reviewed, and it was like gorgeous. It melted so well, and it's melted nicely again. So this is it. This is the look. This is the look. I'm kind of playing with it, fluffing it a little bit more. I could get it bigger, but I don't want it to be like big and out of control. So it's nice and silky. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, from the hair to the makeup look to just the vibe, everything, the whole transformation, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Also subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and don't forget to drop your thoughts down below in my comment section. Leave your other suggestions. You know, there's a couple suggestions that I saw from my last colored hair video, and I'm going to actually try some of those colors because I just want to experiment and try new things. So why not? As usual, I have hauls coming up. I have lots more videos coming up, so you just want to stay tuned and keep up to date. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys can appreciate that I included the makeup. I love the way the makeup turned out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go on, big up on yourself. Bye.
Inside my head is telling me